Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. Which American car from the 1950s featured unique tail fins inspired by jet aircraft? A. 1952, Hudson Hornet. B. 1953, Packard Caribbean. C. 1957 DeSoto Adventurer. D. 1954, Kaiser Manhattan. Correct answer, C. 1957, DeSoto Adventurer. Fun fact: the DeSoto Adventurer was a luxurious coupe with unique tail fins inspired by the jet age, making it a symbol of American 1950s design. Still haven't subscribed? What, you want the channel to stay without 1,000 subscribers? Subscribe and join our car lovers team? I promise, it's fun here, and there's always something new. Question 2. Which European car was known for its outstanding aerodynamics? A. 1954, Tatra 603. B. 1958, Simca Aronde. C. 1956, Borgward Isabella Coupe. D. 1957 Goliath 1100. Correct answer, D. 1957 Goliath 1100. Fun fact: the Goliath 1100 was one of the first cars to use a fuel injection system, significantly improving its performance and fuel efficiency. Question 3. Which rare Italian car was nicknamed the Little Racer? A. 1957 Seata 208S. B. 1959 Bizzarini GT America. C. 1955 Moretti 750 Sport. D. 1953 Fiat 8V Supersonic. Correct answer, C. 1955 Moretti 750 Sport. Fun fact: this tiny race car, built for racing, featured an engine under 1 liter in size but boasted impressive agility. Question 4. Which British car from the 1950s became popular among wealthy buyers? A. 1952 Alvis T, a 21. B. 1959 Daimler SP 250. C. 1955 Armstrong Siddeley Sapphire. D. 1954 Bristol 404. Correct answer, D. 1954 Bristol 404. Fun fact: the Bristol 404 stood out with its elegant design and use of aviation technology, making it one of the most sophisticated cars of its time. Question 5. Which German car was known for its minimalist design? A. 1956 Gaugamobil T S 250 Coupe. B. 1958 Zundap Janus. C. 1954 Heinkel Cabine. D. 1957 DKW Monza. Correct answer, B. 1958 Zundap Janus. Fun fact: the Zundap Janus had doors on both sides and seats arranged back to back, making it one of the most unusual cars of the 1950s. Question 6. Which French car was designed for rural inhabitants? A. 1955 Renault Dauphine. B. 1952 Citroën 2CV Sahara. C. 1957 Panhard Dyna Zed. D. 1956 Simca Vedette. Correct answer. A. 1955. Renault Dauphine. Fun fact. This version of the Renault Dauphine was equipped with two engines, one powering the front wheels and the other the rear, making it perfect for rough terrain. Question 7. Which American car became iconic thanks to its unique folding headlights? A. 1956, Lincoln Continental Mark II. B. 1958, Buick Limited. C. 1957 Chrysler 300C. D. 1956, Nash Metropolitan. Correct answer. D. 1956 Nash Metropolitan. Fun fact, the Nash Metropolitan, designed as a compact car for the American market, also gained popularity in Europe thanks to its unusual design. Question 8. Which rare Italian car combines style and innovation? A. 1954, Fiat 8Fi. B. 1956, Lancia Aurelia. B. 24 Spider. C. 1957, Alfa Romeo Disco Volante. D. 1955, Seata Dyna Grand Sport. Correct answer. D. 1955, Seata Dyna Grand Sport. Fun fact. The Seata Dyna Grand Sport was built on a Fiat platform, but featured an elegant body designed by Carrozzeria Stabilimenti Farina, making it a true masterpiece. Question 9. Which British car was the first to offer an automatic transmission? A. 1951 Bentley, Mark 6. B. 1952, Jaguar Mark 7, 1953, Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn. D. 1950 Humber, Super Snipe. Correct answer. C. 1953, Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn. Fun fact, the Rolls-Royce Silver Dawn was the first British car to offer an automatic transmission, providing an incredibly smooth driving experience. Question 10. Which American car from the 1950s earned the nickname Dream Car? A. 1955 Ford Thunderbird. B. 1956 Packard Executive. C. 1954 Oldsmobile F88. D. 1953 Buick Skylark. Correct answer. C. 1954 Oldsmobile F88. Fun fact, this concept car became a symbol of American optimism and innovation, although it never made it into production.
Results: 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.